We are going to create a game with Claude Design. Alright, so Flappy Bird. I want you to create a web game and the famous Flappy Bird game. I'm not going to give it a lot of info. Let's see if it's going to ask me some questions. I am expecting some questions because I'm being quite vague here. But let's see. Maybe, okay, no, it doesn't need. It understands it needs to create a Flappy Bird clone. That's quite easy. I have created a lot of web games in the past, so I'm quite interesting to see. It should use 3.js. Well, that is what I'm expecting, but let's see what it will use as the stack to build this. Alright, so I like that it builds out like these 5 tasks and it's showing you the progress. So we are 1 out of 5 in. Build the core game loop, add pipes, collision detection, add game states. if this builds a Flappy Bird clone in like one shot, it's quite impressive. All right, and here we are. We can see Flappy Bird is here. Let's see. Oh, okay. Use the space bar. Oh wow, this looks so good. This is like a retro neon vibe, hey? And it works. It gets your points. Oh, wow. I really like that. You can make some tweaks. Put the gravity. Let's put the gravity all the way up. Flap bird power. Okay. Let's see how. Let's make some adjustments. I can actually change the theme. Wow, I like how it can actually be changed up a bit here with the tweaks here. Obviously, that would be removed. This is just for helping when developing the game to get your different settings correctly. Oh no, that gravity, it makes it so difficult. Yeah, so obviously we want to get that back to how it was. I actually can't remember what it was, but I'll have it there. Oh, and the problem is the flap power as well. Okay, I'm just gonna try it. There we go. This feels much better. Okay, feels much better, and I still down the first one. Let's change up the theme. I really want to see the different themes here. Ooh, this looks cool. Almost gives me a bit of Geometry Dash vibes, and now I'm doing quite well as well. Okay, sweet. Check ice. Ooh, I love just the colors that it plays with. Lava. Check. Ooh. Yeah, the UI and the design is quite insane, especially for me not describing anything really. Like obviously it has context of what Flappy Bird is and how it works, but just how it performs this in one shot, it's unbelievable. Alright guys, so this was showing you how to create a game the quickest, like within minutes, with Claude Design. Let me know what you would like to see below, and if you would like to see how I create a whole game with Claude and Claude Design. Remember to hit that subscribe button and leave a like if you enjoyed the video.